Hi there, my name is Mohammad Ayaz and I am from MS Electricals. We have developed Excel sheet for calculation of current according to transformer rating, selection of CT, voltmeter and ammeter according to transformer and supply voltage rating, fabrication rate calculation, busbar calculation, motor control center, power control center, PNCC, attendance sheet. Here we are going to introduction of our sheet fabrication rate calculation. This sheet is made for the fabrication according to uh, our panel design. This is our panel design. The height of a panel is 2175 and 75 is the base channel and 221 the 2100 is the height of a panel. 3200 is the total length and 900 is the total depth. In this calculation we have height of panel is 2100 and size of a channel is 75. Suppose the size of, if we want to increase the size of a channel, then we have to get from this drop down list. Here we have 675, 2175 is the height, and this is the 3200 and depth is the 900. Density is 7.9 and number for cubicles is according to length. Suppose we are changing the length 4500, then the number of cubicles is increased. The thickness of sheets. Door cover is 1.6 mm. In this drop down list is 1.6, 2, 2.5 and 4. These 4 sheets are available. We have select 1.6. Front side, left hand side, top side and bottom side are 2 mm. 2 mm we have select. Suppose we are going to select 1.6 mm, then all are 1.6 mm. Horizontal partition, vertical partition same 1.6 mm. The front side and rear side, left side and right hand side, top side and bottom side we have select 2100 height and 3200 in length, 2000 in height and depth, 3200 is length and 900 is depth. Accordingly we are getting weight. Weight is 212.5, 59.72, 91.01. Here we have one partition. Horizontal partition is only one, and that is 500 and 3200. And vertical partition is 700 and 500. The number of sheets is 10, and horizontal partition the number of sheets is 3, 60.67 and 44.24. Outer frame for feeders. Outer frame for feeders is accordingly we have getting to 2200, 3200 and 900 and multiplied by 60. The number of buses is 11, 6 and 4. We have to calculate it from our design. Base channel is 75 multiplied by 40. Length is 11.8. Weight in 6.8 and 18.24 is the total weight. Total weight is 583.05. And here size of an angle. Suppose we are choosing angle of a size 30 by 40 by 5, and there is 30 by 5 and 35 by 5 mm. So if we select 35 by 5. The weight is also changed and the meter is calculated accordingly. Total number approximate total is 70 kg. Now fabrication and powder coating rate is 653.05 multiplied by 100. Then mounting rate, wiring rate, hardware rate. This we have to select. We have to select according to assumption. The total is 74,474. If you want to purchase this sheet, then please contact on MS Electricals ms.electricals@yahoo.com or contact on 9662543881. Thank you for watching this video.